I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use focus modes on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Step one is to scroll down from the top right of your phone into the Control Center menu. Now here you can see focus right here, and we're going to tap where it says focus, and it'll open up the different focus modes available. You can easily click into Do Not Disturb if you like, or reduce interruptions so that it will only show important ones using Apple Intelligence. And then you can set up new focus modes by clicking New Focus on the bottom. Now you can make this custom or pick one of the categories here. Let's just click a custom mode here and name it Test. You can change the color of this icon and the icon itself in here. Now we're going to click Next. This tells you a little bit about this focus. You can then move into Customize. And here you can choose specifically who to allow notifications from. Then you can choose to allow calls from just the allowed people, everybody, your favorites, or contacts only. In this case, I would choose allowed only. And then you can allow certain apps to give you notifications, or silence them. Now you can change this to have custom lock screens, custom wallpapers as well. You can set a schedule if you'd like for this to be, let's say, during 9 to 5 only. And then you can add a focus filter. Let's click on this. Now you can filter your apps in a certain way to help you with your focus. Now when you're ready, you have this focus all set. You can go back and then you can open up your Control Center again, tap on this focus menu, and then tap on the left of the focus or even the center of the focus to enable or disable that focus. And if you want to change it, you can tap on the 3 dots, enable it for a certain amount of time, or click Settings to open up the settings and change what this focus does. Now you're all set.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.